Here's how to switch to a creator account on Instagram. If you're serious about growing on Instagram and eventually getting paid on it, switching to professional account unlocks everything. Here's how to switch in under a minute. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap the three lines in the top right corner. Now tap Account Type and Tools. Tap Switch to Professional Account, then tap Next. Now choose a category that best describes you. This could be personal blog, content creator, artist, whatever fits. Tap Switch to Professional Account at the bottom. Next, you'll be asked what type of professional you are. Choose Creator. It's built for public figures, content producers, artists, and influencers. Business is for retailers, local businesses, brands, and service providers. Tap Next and follow the remaining prompts to complete your profile setup. You may be asked to connect your Facebook account to Account Center. You can tap Continue or Not Now. That part is up to you. That's it. You now have a creator account with access to Instagram Insights, promotional tools, and everything you need to grow. Now, here is the Genie Tip. Now that you have a creator account, go back into Account Type and Tools. You'll now see a section called Your Tools. This gives you insights, scheduled content, live, and branded content all in one place. The one to open first is Insights. This shows you exactly which posts are reaching new people, which ones are flopping, and where your audience is coming from. Check it every week. Most creators never open it and then wonder why they're not growing. If this helped, subscribe. Every week, I cover Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, and Android tips that most people never find on their own. Next up, how to turn off your activity status so nobody can see when you're online. It's right here.